development. Hippo Football Club. Hippo Football Club. And BJ Market. Hippo Club. That is a win here. Who win here on the Chalabas football? In getting there. Who never be busy with Kalia? And never got a fool. He put up the Indian security. Member in power. Tata. The money on the shop on the BJ Market. He don't know man. He can be the money bully. He don't know he don't know nothing they can do. What the money can do the package? He the movement. What the number give it the man? Kamati. The cross one day. Kapunyabu kabubu. Come on.